We have this question. Solve the following system of equations. These are the systems of equation that we have been given. You can use any method that you want, either elimination, substitution, or Cramer's law. Since here they didn't specify the methods. But for me, I'll combine substitution methods and elimination methods. So this is my equation 1, this is my equation 2, this is my equation 3. So let me try to make z the subject of the formula. So I'll say z equals to this one, it will go the other side, so it will have 1. This it was positive, when it goes the other side it becomes negative. This is negative, when it goes the other side it becomes positive, so it will be 3y. So already here now I've formed my equation 4. So from here I need to substitute in these two equations where there is z. So I'll get to this. So say 2x plus y plus, where there is z I'll put this, so it will be 1 minus x plus 3y equals to 2. And from here I'll correct the right term, so I say 2x minus x, it will give me x. Y plus 3y, it will give me 4y. And then when this one goes to the other side there, it becomes negative, so it will be 2 minus 1, so it will give me 1 there. So already this is the equation 5 that I've formed, so I'm going to put it there. So I'll put it here, have x plus 4y equals to 1. So I've put it there, and then I'm going to put this one again in the first equation. So I'll say x minus y plus 2. So where there is z here, I'm going to put this, so it will be 1 minus x plus 3y equals to 1. So here this is the equation 6 that I've formed. So from here I'm going to say x minus y plus 2 times 1, it will be 2. 2 times negative x, it will be negative 2x. 2 times positive 3 there, it will be plus 6y equals to 1. So from here I'll group the like terms. So x minus 2x, it will give me negative x. Then negative y plus 6y to give me positive 5y. We subtract and get the sign of the bigger number. Then 2 here, it's positive. When it goes the other side there, it becomes negative. So it will be 1 minus 2, which will give me negative 1. So this is the another equation that I've formed, this one. So I'm going to come and put it here. So negative x, I'm going to put it here to be negative x plus 5y equals to negative 1. So I'm going to solve this equation simultaneously. So I'll put this in brackets. So we need to eliminate one variable. So since here we have x and even here x, I'll put just the positive sign here, so that when we add this, they'll give us 0. So x plus negative x to give us 0 here, 4y plus 5y to give us 9y equals to 1 plus negative 1, this one to give you 0. So divide here by 9, even there by 9. So you have y equals to 0. Since now we have found the values for y, we can pick any equation there, so that where we see y, we replace it with a 0, we find the value for x. So I'll get the first one there. So say x plus 4. So where there is y here, I'm going to put 0, so it will be 0 here equals to 1. So here to be x equals to 1, because 4 times 0, it's 0. So this is the values for x. And here we need to remember that there's this equation that we formed. So let's plug in this variable. So we'll say z to be equals to 1 minus x plus 3y. So where there is x and y, we are going to put this the values that we have found. So it will be 1 minus our x here, it's 1 plus 3, then there will put 0. So here it will be 1 minus 1 plus 0. So here our answer will be 0 as well. So our z, it will be equals to 0. Then we can conclude and say therefore our values for x to be equals to 1, y it's equals to 0, and our z it's equals to 0. So these are coordinates. Please, if you love this work, kindly like and subscribe and share with your friends so that they can benefit